Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to discuss the topic articles. First we will discuss what are articles. These are the short words used before the noun and it also modifies them. They also function as adjectives and tells you whether the context is specific or general. Now first we will discuss the objectives. You will be able to identify the articles and understand which article is appropriate according to the context, and also use articles. There are two types of articles. First is indefinite article and the other is definite article. First we will discuss the indefinite article. There are two indefinite articles, that is a and an, and the definite article is the. Now we will discuss how we are going to apply the article a. First we use an article a to refer an object for the first time. Might it be to give information to anyone? For example, a new teacher started at our school yesterday. Now the second one is when we are going to describe someone's job, like he is a chef, she is a teacher, he is a doctor. Then we are going to add an article a over there. Now giving example, when you are going to give any example to someone, like a student must work hard. For giving any example, you can also use an article a. Now next, there is another indefinite article, that is an. An is used before singular countable nouns starting with vowels or vowel sound. The words that are starting with vowels or vowel sound, with that we are going to use an indefinite article an. It is also used with this singular countable noun. For example, an eye, an or, an apple, an owl, etc. Now an or is starting with the consonant sound word, but it has an vowel sound, so that is why we are adding an article with that. So as we have discussed that the word that started with vowels and vowel sound, so or started with vowel sound, though h is the consonant word, but it starts with vowel sound. Now let's come to the definite article, that is the. Where we are going to use it? The definite article the is the specific article used before the singular and plural countable and uncountable noun. It can use to both singular and plural countable and also with the uncountable nouns. For example, the school, the students, the time, etc. Now we will discuss where we are going to apply the article the. First, to refer to a particular item or a thing. The restaurant in my town are always crowded at the weekend. So there are so many places to visit in the town, but we are specifically talking about the restaurants. The second example is to refer to a person or a thing we have already talked about. You already know a person or you have talked about any person. You are telling something about that person, so you can use the with that. The new teacher speaks 4 languages. Next, with nouns where there is only one. When there is only one thing in the world, you can use the with that. The earth, the South Pole, the Pacific Ocean. Then, with some countries, including countries with plural names, the United States, the Philippines, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The countries with having the plural names, you can add the with that. The next is before superlative. Now, what is the superlatives? It is the degree of adjective, like most. Biryani is the most popular dish in Pakistan. Then, to refer to a class of people, it can be any class, the young, the poor, the old, the rich, etc. Now, you can use the with the class of people. Now, where we are not going to use articles, before abstract noun, there is no need to use the articles. Like time is money, sport is good for you, and before meals, unless we describe it. Eating lunch is important, but if we are describing that lunch, but the lunch my mom cooks is very delicious or good, you can add the with the lunch. And when we are talking about the things in general, we are there is no need to use an article with that. Like he plays cricket, I love dates, etc. Now let's practice some articles. Here are some sentences having articles with them. I started to work as a TV journalist. Ahmed is a blogger and his blogging name is N2. I always wanted to be an airline pilot. Hania is working as an artist now. This is the #1 restaurant for sushi in New York. The most amazing murals can be seen here. Now, we have practiced the sentences with articles. Now I am giving you some exercises to work on. You have to do the exercise on your books of English Ahead 1, page number 40 of your textbook, and workbook page number 24 as well. If you have any queries or problems with that, you can ask me and write in the comment section below, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.